In today's highly advanced vehicles, symptoms rarely reveal the full story. Modern automotive engineering is a complex, integrated network where a single fault can obscure the true root cause. At OIT Automotive, we don't just read codes, we decode complexity. Effective diagnosis goes far beyond generic fault code retrieval. It demands a deep, systemic understanding of cutting-edge automotive architecture, from high-speed CAN bus protocols to advanced ADAS systems and sophisticated powertrain management, especially critical for electric vehicles. When your vehicle arrives with a complex issue, our first step is a multi-layered diagnostic protocol. We meticulously interrogate all relevant electronic control units, including telematics control units, body control modules, and crucial gateway modules. We analyze data codes and live streams, interpreting sensor outputs for dynamic performance and correlating them with other system parameters. We're looking for the subtle indicators that reveal the true problem, even in the intricate electrical systems of modern electric vehicles. For intermittent electrical faults or complex sensor issues, an oscilloscope is indispensable. We analyze waveform integrity to detect subtle glitches a multimeter might miss, ensuring precise detection of even the most elusive electrical anomalies. Our diagnostic process is further supported by access to OEM-specific scan tools, comprehensive wiring diagrams, and crucial technical service bulletins. This allows for precise module reprogramming and coding, ensuring factory-level restoration, especially vital for advanced electric vehicle components. Diagnosis extends beyond electronics. We meticulously inspect mechanical components and fluid integrity, essential for both traditional and electric vehicle systems. Our goal is to identify and rectify the absolute root cause. This meticulous approach ensures lasting repairs, preventing recurrent issues and restoring your vehicle to its optimal performance. We provide detailed, transparent diagnostic reports, empowering you to make informed decisions about your vehicle's health. For advanced, technical, and professional vehicle diagnosis that redefines precision, trust OIT Automotive, because true understanding is the key to lasting performance. OIT Automotive, decoding the future of vehicle diagnostics, precision diagnosis, and expert solutions.
For technical support, email us at oatautomobile@gmail.com. WhatsApp us at 081 601 76221 or call 080 22 55 6608. OIT Automotive Team are committed to assisting you online and offline with your vehicle's maintenance bulletins, including engine oil and automatic transmission fluid specifications.